Top 10 aircraft carriers in the world in 2020. Please like and share and subscribe. An aircraft carrier is not a mere big vessel that is equipped to engage in warfare. With never-ending territorial disputes worldwide, the aircraft carrier is a symbol of prestige and power for the navies across the world. These new battleships have been one of the biggest assets to the warfare merchandise of all nations. Ever since their inception, these ships have made a huge difference for the defense system of several countries. Known as floating air bases, these giant aircraft carriers are equipped with a full-length flight deck capable of carrying, arming, deploying, and recovering aircraft. Acting as the capital ship of a naval fleet in a waterfront, these vessels can carry numerous aircraft including fighters, strike aircraft and helicopters, etc. Currently, most of the world powers are operating or building technologically advanced aircraft carriers to safeguard their maritime rights and interests. There are a total of 41 active aircraft carriers in operation by 13 navies across the world. While the U.S. Navy has the most number of 11 aircraft carriers in service, the navies of China, India, France, Russia, and the UK operate a single aircraft carrier each. In addition, countries such as Japan 4, France 3, Australia 2, Egypt 2, Brazil 1, South Korea 1, and Thailand 1, operate a total of 14 small carriers that are capable of only carrying helicopters. Here is a list of top 10 most notable aircraft carriers currently in service around the world. 1. Nimitz-class, USA. The U.S. Navy's 10 Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carriers are the second largest aircraft carriers in the world. They are certainly one of the best of the breeds, and flaunt all the features required by such battleships. Named after the World War II U.S. Pacific Fleet Commander, Fleet Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, the lead ship of this class, USS Nimitz, was launched in May 1975, and the 10th and last of the class, USS George H. W. Bush, was commissioned in January 2009. With a full load displacement of 97,000 tons, these 332.8 meters long aircraft carriers have a 4-5-acre flight deck capable of carrying over 60 aircraft. These ships, that can accommodate 3,000 to 3,200 ships company, 1,500 air wing, and 500 other crew, are powered by 2 nuclear reactors, and can reach a speed of over 30 kilotons. They were constructed in 1968 and launched in 1972. Soon they were relaunched as multi-role carriers with a nuclear propulsion system. 2. Gerald R. Ford Class, U.S. The title of the world's biggest aircraft carrier belongs to the U.S. Navy's Gerald R. Ford class battleships. The first carrier in this class, USS Gerald R. Ford, was commissioned in May 2017, and the 4 remaining announced vessels of this class are under construction. The Gerald R. Ford, which is expected to be fully operational by 2020, features full load displacement of 100,000 tons, and its 78 meters wide flight deck features electromagnetic aircraft launch system, as well as advanced resting gear. USS Gerald R. Ford is capable of carrying over 75 aircraft, and accommodating a total of 4,539 personnel. 3. Queen Elizabeth Class, UK. The largest aircraft carriers of the UK Royal Navy are the 3rd largest aircraft carriers in the world. The biggest warships ever built for British Navy the Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers are also the second largest non-US Navy warships, after Japan's Yamato-class battleships. Among the Royal Navy's 2 Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers, HMS Queen Elizabeth was commissioned in December 2017, while HMS Prince of Wales was launched in December 2017, and is expected to be commissioned in 2020. Both the vessels have a displacement of around 65,000 tons and measure 280 meters in length. Featuring latest technology and automated systems aboard, these vessels only require a crew of 679 for a combat operation. 4. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia. Russia's Kuznetsov-class aircraft carrier is one of the best aircraft carriers currently in service. Currently serving as the flagship of the Russian Navy, the 305 meters long Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier has a full load displacement of 58,500 tons. With its multi-role capacity, this heavily armed ship has the potential to serve as an aircraft carrier, besides being laced with armaments that make it deadly enough. With its 14,700 meters secure flight deck facility, the aircraft carrier is capable of accommodating Su-33, MiG-29K, and Su-25 UDG, UBP, Stavl fighters, and Ka-27S, Ka-27 LD-32, as well as Ka-27 PLO helicopters. Admiral Kuznetsov can also house 1,960 ships company, 626 air group, and 40 flagstaffs abroad. 5. Liaoning, China. The sole aircraft carrier in operation with China's People's Liberation Army Navy, PLAN, the Type 001 aircraft carrier Liaoning is the 5th largest aircraft carrier in the world. Initially planned as the second Kuznetsov-class aircraft for the Soviet Navy, the vessel was later purchased by China after the dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991. The ship was rebuilt and commissioned for plan in September 2012. Currently classified as a training ship, Liaoning offers a platform for the Navy to experiment, train and to be familiar with aircraft carrier operations. Displacing more than 58,000 tons, full load, Liaoning is capable of carrying around 50 aircraft, including fixed-wing planes and helicopters. 6. INS Vikramaditya, India. The Indian Navy's largest warship in service, INS Vikramaditya, also finds its place among the biggest aircraft carriers of the world. This 283.5 meters long, modified Kiev-class aircraft carrier was entered into service in 2013. Previously served the Soviet Navy and the Russian Navy under the names of Baku and Admiral Gorshkov respectively. This battleship was purchased by India in January 2004. With a displacement of 45,400 tons, INS Vikramaditya is capable of carrying a maximum of 36 aircraft, including 26 Mikoyan, MiG-29K, multi-role fighters, and 10 Kamov Ka-31, UNC, and Kamov Ka-28, ASW helicopters. 7. Charles de Gaulle, France. The first French nuclear-powered surface ship, Charles de Gaulle, is one of the most important flight carriers of France, and has been in service since 2001. The ship, which has a total displacement of 36,000 tons with a 780, 103, 27.8 feet structure, is the only nuclear-powered carrier in service with the navies other than the U.S. Navy. With a displacement of 42,500 tons, the battleship is capable of carrying 40 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters, including Rafale M, E-2C Hawk-A, Superintended, EC-725 Caracal, AS-532 Cougar, and SA-365 Dolphin. The aircraft carrier can attain a maximum speed of 27 knots, and it has been provided with two K-17 reactors for propulsion. Its design has been made keeping in mind the need for a battleship to show versatility and stealth. Known for its multi-role, the ship is highly combating friendly, with a both assaulting and carrying role. 8. Cavor, Italy. The flagship of the Italian Navy, Cavor aircraft carrier, has a full load displacement of 30,000 tons, and features several of defense systems, such as short-range defense systems, guns and decoy launchers. With a 232.6 meters x 34.5 meters flight deck, Cavor is capable of accommodating fixed-wing aircraft including Avenue 8B Harrier and JSF, as well as EH-101, AB-212, NH-90, and SH-3D helicopters. The 2,444-meter aircraft carrier can also hold up to 24 main battle tanks. Its maximum speed is 16 knots, achieved with help of 6 diesel generators. 9. Juan Carlos I, Spain. The Spanish Navy's multi-purpose amphibious assault ship aircraft carrier, Juan Carlos I, was the first vessel with the Navy to use diesel-electric propulsion. Commissioned on 30th of September 2010, Juan Carlos I has a displacement of 26,000 tons and a flight deck of 202 meters, featuring a ski jump ramp. This Navy aircraft carrier has dimensions of about 757.3, 105.23 feet, and can reach a maximum speed of 21 knots. Named after former Spanish king, the ship can accommodate Harrier, F-35 Lightning II, CH-47 Chinook, V-22 Osprey and McDonnell Douglas Avenue 8B Harrier II Lockheed Martin, F-35 Lightning II, etc. This makes this particular aircraft carrier highly versatile and a valuable asset for the Spanish Army. Juan Carlos I has the capability to house 900 naval personnel, along with equipment and support elements for 1,200 soldiers. 10. USS America, U.S. U.S. Navy's amphibious assault ship, USS America is the 10th aircraft carrier on the list. Commissioned in October 2014, USS America, the first vessel in the America class, is assigned to be the flagship of an amphibious-ready group of the U.S. Navy. With a displacement of 45,000 tons, the vessels of these class, that are designed to carry helicopters and STOL aircraft, can perform the duties of big aircraft carriers when configured with 20 F-35B strike fighters. The design of this 844 feet long ship is based on that of the WASP-class amphibious assault ship, USS Mackinac Island, and features a hybrid electric propulsion system. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share and subscribe.